I'll be showing you guys how to list your Binance NFT, the Mobox NFT on Binance Marketplace. Okay, it's quite easy, very simple. So if you participated in the Mobox NFT, I think sometime last year, late last year, then you should be able to see your NFT and also list it for sale. Currently, I think the floor price is about I think $30 currently. So this is how you do it. This is the step. Firstly, you click on this your profile icon showing at the top left corner of your screen. You click on it, then this will appear. So you can see your name, your ID. If you're verified, it's going to appear this way. All right, then you click on your name. All right, you click on it, then you wait for it to come up. All right, so it will take you to settings. All right, so when it opens, yeah, then you click on NFT Marketplace. Just on Avatar, you click on NFT Marketplace. All right, so this is it. It's very simple to list and sell. All right, okay, so this is it now. So the next thing you have to do is to click on your profile icon. Also, you click on it, then you click on User Center. Just click on User Center. So this is where you can find your NFT. All right, as you can see, you see my collections one. So this is my own NFT. All right, this is my NFT here, right here. And if you want to sell, you just click on it. You see list NFT. All right, so you can list it for sale. You see, when you click on list, so this is it. You can set your price, how much. If you want auction, if you want to auction like highest bid, you click on it. Or you want to set the price, you put your price. Let's say you want to sell yours for 1 BNB, depends on you, or 0.9. Choice is yours. Okay, then you can click on list immediately after, or you input the time you want it to list. Okay, then submit. That's all. All right, that's all. Very easy, quick and simple. All right, guys, so take this update and quickly do yours. If you want to hold your NFT, you can also hold. If you want to sell immediately, you can. The choice is yours. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.